J-Mark, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Jollibee na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
Bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si J-Mark na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
Dahilan ang kanyang nagpuumapaw na pag-ibig upang si J-Mark at si Jollibee at tayong lahat ay nalikha. Ang Diyos din ang nagbigay daan upang si J-Mark at Jollibee ay magkatuluyan at nagdala sa kanilang dalawa dito ngayon sa kasalan sa simbahan.
I've seen the stars on the ocean, and fields of grass beneath the pool.
Hi, my love, my beloved debugger. As we embark on this lifelong merge, I promise to be your constant support, your code reviewer, and your favorite syntax validator.
My love, here I am, ready to start the next chapter with you. I am filled with overwhelming gratitude for every laugh shared, luha, pangarap na inabot at aabutin pa. I promise to continue to honor and cherish our bond, to stand by you through every twist and turn, and to love you more than ever.
Shine so bright. But to tell you the truth, honey, I just wanna come home to you. Somewhere far the birds are flying, someplace there.
Ang katiyakan ng inyong matagumpay na pagsasama bilang mag-asawa, J-Mark and Jollibee, ay nakasalalay sa katapatan at pag-ibig ng Diyos. Hindi sa anuman o sinuman. Nakasalalay ang inyong tagumpay bilang mag-asawa sa katapatan at pag-ibig ng Diyos.
Optimizing each day for maximum happiness. And remember, in this code of love, there's no such thing as an infinite loop.
You are my greatest adventure, my constant support, and my deepest love. Here's to forever, my love.
I just wanna call